Hey everyone and welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your Miniclip ID and password in 8-Ball Pool. So without further ado, let's dive in. So first of all, let me explain something. So according to Miniclip official support, creating a Miniclip ID is no longer possible. And that also means changing your password with this feature won't be possible either. So what should you do? Well, if your 8-Ball Pool account is linked through Google, Facebook, or Apple, you will need to change your password on those platforms directly. So right now, that's how you will manage your login details. So if you're having an issue or don't have an access, the best option is to contact Miniclip support for further help. And that's it. Miniclip ID and password changes are no longer supported, so you will have to rely on your link account instead. So that's for all. Thanks for watching and see you next time.